This person's going to sweep you off your feet. And it's asking you to seriously let go of the hurt that the previous person or someone else, you know, whoever did you wrong in a previous relationship, they want you to let it go. They need you to really heal from that situation so that way it will not hinder this new connection coming in. Because this is a really good one for a lot of y'all. Now, for others, I want to let you know that the person you've been dealing with, they're coming back. they're not letting you go that easy, okay? But what's interesting is, I feel like the person that you let go of, they're coming back and they're coming in to treat you the right way for a lot of you guys. That's why new love is here as well. Because I am hearing that they've been going through a lot of tower moments. They've been doing a lot of reflecting. And now they see you. Like, they seriously see you now. You know, and they know that they're taking you for granted. So that's where a lot of this passion is coming in. And they really want you to forgive them. So, why was I about to you know what? Well, okay. Why was I about to shuffle? But I guess let me pull one more for y'all. Let's see. That was weird. So I guess that meant, hey, pull one more. Alright, give me one more card for Sagittarius. Codependency. Addictions are affecting your romantic life. Okay. So, I mean, honestly, that kind of goes back to what I was saying. Honestly, with forgiving and learning as well, because you're holding on to that hurt, it is kind of like an addiction to a degree, you know. So just, you know, they want you to let it go. For others of you, you feel like maybe this person is still codependent to certain things. It could be money, sex, drugs, people. I mean, it could be anything. So, yeah, I really feel like you guys need to just be cautious, take your time. Whether this person is new or this is someone coming back from the past. So, just keep your eyes open. Those lessons that you learn, you need to apply them, okay? It's time to shine, okay, Sagittarius? Alright, but anyway, let's see what's going on. Alright, Sag, here we go. Bottom of the deck, I have the Seven of Cups reversed. So, this is telling me that a lot of you guys feel like you don't have any options. Maybe you guys have been approached by other people. You don't really care for those options. You're like, no. Let's just see. For some of you guys, I feel like the person that you've dealt with in the past, you don't want to deal with this person anymore because you're like, you know what? There's nothing else here for us. Nothing more that I can do. I'm tired. I'm gone. Could be dealing with a water sign. Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But somebody is definitely emotional here. Tell me more. Why is this person emotional? Because they're undecided. Somebody's undecided about what to do. But a decision will be made. Okay. That was quick. Somebody could be dealing with an air sign here. An Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. But Sagittarius, honestly, I feel like this is your energy. I feel like, yeah, this person from the past, you're coming off really cold and harsh to this person. I just heard for some of you guys that have, somebody new came into your life already. For those of you who are out here dating and you did meet someone, this person could be really good for you. But because of the hurt that you went through with the other individual, you're coming off kind of cold and harsh. It's like you're really not ready to put yourself out there just yet, but you're trying to get out there just to, you know, I guess this is your version of coping and healing, but you're coming off really harsh to this other person. I don't know who that was for, but yeah. Others of y'all, this is past person. You're like, I'm tired of you. I do feel like you guys are coming out of being frustrated about the situation because you're realizing you're not going to have a new beginning with this individual. So yeah, it's definitely somebody from the past. Y'all know this can go vice versa, so take it however it fits for you. Somebody's coming out of being sad about something here. I do feel like, you know, with that codependency, because I keep looking at it, somebody definitely was codependent to someone for financial reasons. Maybe they took some type of loss here, but I do feel like they're getting out of that energy. And now, because of it, they want to come in to offer their cup of love to you. They want to offer you security with the situation, but it's like they're not really telling you anything right now. Communication is just coming in very slow. Why is that? Clarify the 8 of Wands with us, please. Alright, so let's see. Okay, so communication is coming in really slow right now. And then I'm looking at the bottom of the deck. 3 of Swords. Okay. Yeah, for some of you guys, this person definitely broke your heart. They put you in some type of third-party situation. Could be with another man, woman, family member, friend, whoever. So at that point, it's like they're not using their intuition, because I really do feel like they want to come out of this conflict with you guys. But because they put you in this situation and they know that they hurt you, they don't have a peace of mind. They don't know how to approach you. They don't know what to say to you. And they're saying that they're not using their intuition at this point. Tell me more, please. I just jumped over here. Yeah, somebody's feeling like things are not going to improve. Maybe somebody is still worried about their finances, which is why, you know, they're not really approaching you. Let's see. But I just feel like you guys are looking at them like, you know what? I'm tired. It's like, I love you, but no. But they're coming in to give you an offer. There's an offer here. Clarify the 4 of Cups. Reverse. Yeah. Somebody's coming in to give you an offer. I do feel like they want to apologize to you guys. They just don't have the confidence to apologize. They don't have the confidence to give you this offer because they know they messed up. They messed up bad. But I told you, they're realizing those seeds that they planted with you, Sagittarius, they want to grow here. And it's like they're taking it day by day, but they're getting, you know, the strength to come up towards you to basically tell you what they did. They want to give you the truth. They want to let you know, look at this. I mean, you cannot make this up. Communication is coming in. They want to tell you how they feel. They want to let you know where they went wrong. They want to let you know what it is that they want with you, what you mean to them. Communication is definitely coming in. Somebody could be dealing with a Virgo here, but Sagittarius, either you're isolating yourself from this person because you're over it, or this person is isolating themselves from you because they don't know, again, how to approach you. They don't know what exactly to say to you. But somebody is ready to put in the work. Whoever messed up, they want to put in the work because there is love here. There's definitely a connection here. And they want to basically prove it to you that they're ready now. Could be dealing with a Gemini. But yeah, somebody's ready to put in the work here. Look at that. They want to celebrate with you. They possibly want to start over. Maybe they're going to come back to the offer to take you out, you know, meet up somewhere to try to break the ice, you know, just to kind of take like a playful approach to trying to, you know, talk to you. But yeah. Let's see. But they're not being positive about it. Or maybe you're not being positive about it because, again, somebody did put you in some type of third-party situation. You know, you were looking at them like they had other options, and now you're like, nope. There's nothing more here. I can't do anything else with you. I'm tired of you hurting me. I'm tired of you breaking my heart. So somebody's getting ready to take a leap. Y'all, this person that messed up, they're coming back. I was trying to read for the new love, you know, the person, but I'm telling y'all, like, I'm picking up more so for a lot of you guys. The person that you've been dealing with, they want to come back. They see themselves having a happy home with you, and they're getting ready to communicate that to you very quickly. But this is when you guys have to be cautious, you know. Everything, there was a lesson for you guys to learn when you dealt with them before. So you guys really need to apply what you learned when this person comes back. Don't let them come back in, because look, just as fast as they can come back in, they can zoop, go right back out. Y'all need to break the cycle. So yeah, that's why a lot of you guys are looking at them like, I don't see this improving at all. So you're not even going to give them the time of day. Somebody is going to make a decision, though. Tell me more. Okay. Yeah. Somebody's ready to start over. Like, honestly, it's split. Because some of you guys are at the point where y'all are over it. You're getting ready just to move on. You want to go, you know, walk in a new direction. Go towards a new path. Meet new people. Start over in that direction. For others of you guys, you're going to make a decision, when this person does come back, I do feel like you are going to give them another chance. That's for some of y'all. I feel it. Like somebody is going to start over and give them a chance. But I do feel like you're emotional about it because you're scared that this person may try to hurt you again. Could be dealing with a water sign, a Pisces, Cancer, or a Scorpio, but it's like it's like you love this person, you would love to see this play out and work, but at the same time, you're like, I don't know. And that's why you guys, look, I told you, some of y'all are not moving forward. You're like, I don't know if I can trust you. You played with me. Look at that. You're looking at the person like they're sneaky. That's why you're like, you know what? I got to go in a new direction. All right, let me see. That's a lot. Okay. Yeah. You're realizing that this person, again, they were being sneaky. They could have been dealing with somebody from their past. Or, you know, if not, whoever, it doesn't really matter. It's just more so like you basically taking the time to heal, and you've been sitting back thinking like, if this person does come back, would I accept them this go round, you know? Because I'm thinking about everything that they put me through, the good times and the bad times. And the bad times are outweighing the good times for a lot of things, you know? And it's like, why should I take them back if they keep hurting me, you know? Somebody could be dealing with an air sign here, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. But I feel like this person really does not want you to cut them off. And to be honest with you, for some of you guys out there, you really don't want to let this person go. That's why I told y'all it's split. Some of you guys are going to be giving this person another chance. Because you see your wish fulfillment here. You see this person, you know, bringing you happiness. Contentment, like you guys are like that power couple, you know it. This person can bring balance to your life, or I do feel like now they see you and now they want to put in 100% of the work here. It's like they chose you. Somebody was definitely interfering, trying to, you know, stop you guys from getting together, but it's like they were fighting hard now at this point and they want you. But somebody's still not happy here. Let's see why. Yeah, somebody's not happy and they're opening their mouth and they're expressing that here. Somebody is no longer frustrated. Could be dealing with an Aries, and I have a Cancer here. But it's like, whoever was the person that was done wrong, you're speaking up. And you're like, you know what? I love you, but no. There's no stability with you. And I don't see this going anywhere, so I'm not moving forward with you. Because you were a player. You don't communicate. You don't take the lead for anything. I was the one putting in all the work.